Hey everyone, my name is Sergio, iOS engineer here at GoLinks, and I'm going to give you a demo of the GoLinks iOS mobile app. The reason why we created this app is we wanted to give our users a way to always constantly have access to all their resources, even if that means on the go. And this is a nice native, snappy experience that's going to help you get there. There's multiple different ways to use the app. So you notice that when you first launch it, you're going to see your dashboard that's going to have all your workspace GoLinks. You're going to be able to scroll through everything. But realistically, you're probably going to want to search for a specific GoLink. You can use the search to accomplish that. We also have these different filters that are going to allow you to drill down and find the resource you are looking for. And say, for example, we click on this new filter here. These are all the recently created GoLinks. I go ahead and tap the GoLink that I'm looking for, and it takes me right there, which is really nice. If there's any native applications on your device, such as like Google Docs, Google Drive, it'll automatically open to the native app if your account is signed in, which is really nice. Another tab down here is My GoLinks, which is going to show you your personal GoLinks. So GoLinks that are pertinent to you and the ones that are not hidden to your organization, you're going to be able to view there, which is really nice. And we also have the option to create a GoLink. So not only from the app, but also from Chrome and Safari, you are actually able to link into the GoLinks app. So if there is a resource that you want to save while you're on the go, you're also able to do that. And that is a super quick overview of the GoLinks mobile app. Thank you so much for watching.